Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? This is a few minutes past 5 a.m. and I want to go for endurance trek. I'm not carrying my phone along because I'm taking this particular phone along. It's an old phone, but my area is usually I don't want to hear it's alright. Yeah, chai. So I'm going to take this one because of music. I'm having my AirPod. So I'm going with my friend. So if he comes with his phone, maybe he would vlog me. If not, just know that I've gone for an endurance trek. And this is my outfit and my sneakers. So let's go, guys. Hello, guys. You're welcome back to Vlogmas series. You're welcome back to Ezinne-Speaks store. So here I took you along on what happened behind the scenes at the biggest cow market in Enugu. That is the Mami Market by Abakba along the Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So you either buy a whole cow or you buy in parts. So here I just bought a cow head. A cow head cost me about 35,000 naira. It was actually sold for 35,000 naira to me. And then I brought it to this section of the market to roast. So yeah, everyone was standing at alert because that particular cow walking down has gone wild and they were trying to get it into that cage. So basically what happens here, so usually maybe when the cow gets wild, it could run into people. So everyone was trying to be at alert. However, what happens here is you buy your cow, bring it here, either the cow head or the cow tail or the neck or the skin, just something. You bring it here for them to roast it. After roasting it, they wash it. However, it is important to note that the person that sells the cow to you does not take responsibility for these other things. So roasting the cow head cost about 1,500, and then after roasting it, it was washed and taken to the abattoir place, and then it was cut in pieces, and the cutting cost me 1,000 naira. So this is what the cow head looks like after washing it. So this guy was trying to take it down to the part where he would wash it properly. So he just took it down. He's going to wash off the black parts, and then use a sharp knife and scrape off the black particle, and then you have your very neat and sparkling cow head. So that is just about what they were doing. I enjoyed this process when it happened, and yeah, I decided to share it on here on my channel, and I hope you do enjoy watching it too. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Ezinne-Speaks store. This is Vlogmas day 11 and today is a busy day. I don't know if I have all the time now to tell you all I have to do today, but just know that we are traveling to Ikorabasi today. But this morning, because it's a beautiful Sunday morning, I can't travel yet without cooking. So I've been up before 5 a.m. and I've been trying to cook. This is what we have. I'm making fried rice. So this is carrots, green beans, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, fried chicken, cabbage, chopped up onions. Our pot of rice almost ready. So these are all the things I've been able to do this morning. We are going to Akwa Ibom, not for vacation, but for work, guys. It's still that time of the year when work is still heated up before vacation. Maybe by next week, vacation will start. So I want to quickly run up and finish up with the frying. I want to fry the vegetables now and do the fried rice. You know, it's fried rice so that we can disappear from the house. So I will not be able to show you guys all of that, but I'll do it behind camera and show you guys when I'm done. Fingers crossed. So let us get cooking. Bye. Our food is ready. I'm just deciding to have this one because I'm going to take more that I'm going to travel with. So I'm deciding to have this one while everything is still fresh and fly with my chicken head and go. Make. Make. Call it again.
5 liters, girl.
You know, which provision?
Fruits.
You know.
Oh my God.
Because can go on Rebecca. Hi guys. Hi guys. We are about leaving. We are taking off. We are taking off. Yes, she go di n'ụtụtụ a mechi mechi. Alpha. Hi guys, we are out. Catch you guys when we reach where I am going to, or on our way. My skin is looking fine this morning. What's happening? Hey guys, welcome back. We just got, well, we didn't just get in because we got in say around to 8, then went for a meeting, had dinner, and then we had to find a hotel space. So we just got in here and this is my room. I just want to do a mini room tour for you guys, nothing serious. My bed space, this is the entrance door here. Bed space, that is the wardrobe there. This area, TV, fridge, dressing area, focus. Dressing area, just ordered those bottles of water shortly. My bags, I've not arranged those. Let me see, nothing is in the fridge. TV. Wardrobe, basic. Bathroom, toilet, shower, 2 towels, sink. There's the shower area there. I think I like my room. It's simple and nice. We still have work to do and I am exhausted, but we still have a lot of work to take care of. Well, right now I want to take a shower and then get to my colleague's room so that we'll continue working, and God knows when we'll be done, Gaskia. Because as I am like this now, I am tired pro max. That is what is doing me. So however, let us get on with it. It's something that happens once in a while. Let me admire myself. It's something that happens once in a while. So let's do this and get it over and done with. Catch ya guys.